Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am Terry. Hope you're all doing fine. So guys, this is like take 2 on my makeup video. I started doing a cut crease, oh my gosh, and I hated it. So we're just starting over again. So I already did my brows off camera, and I am currently basing my eyelid. I am using the Juvia Space concealer in the number 12. Ooh, can y'all see that? Like, there's a lot of light there. I'm using this concealer on my eyelid as a base for my eyeshadows. Okay, so to set my concealer, I'm going in with the Airspun loose face setting powder. I just have some in the cap right here. I'm gonna press that in, and I'm using this powder to set the concealer so as to reduce creasing on my eyelids. Right, guys, I was just filming a makeup tutorial, guys, with a glitter. I was trying to do a glitter cut crease, but I hated the way it looked, so I am starting over. I don't think I'm doing no cut crease today, no, because I struggled. So I think I need to brush up and then, you know, come back. So I'm just gonna do something like real quick, but I still want to use glitters because I recently got some glitters. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. All right, so the base is down, so I can show you guys these. So I picked up these from a wholesale. Okay, the sun is kind of setting right now, so okay. And then I have this gold one, so this is like 160 each, 150, and I got this as well. These pretty glitters, like they stick on their own. You don't need no base or nothing to put these on. I was trying to work with these just now, but it wasn't working out for me, so bleh. So I'm thinking to just use one of these eyeliners instead, but I'm gonna do something like really basic, really easy today because oh my gosh. I'm going in with the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's. I'm gonna go in with Yodit. Alright, so I'm just gonna put this color like all over my lid. Nice. So now I'm gonna darken up my crease just a little bit with Kafuru. It's that color right here. Using Kafuru right on the outer part, right there. Okay, so I'm going back and forth with my brushes. So I'm going in with the smoking gel liner next, and I'm going to create a wing. I'm gonna go back in with this palette. I'm gonna take the black and I'm going to set this wing liner into place. So I'm going with my makeup wipe and I'm going to clean up my wing. So I'm gonna go in with this glitter eyeliner. I'm gonna outline my wing. I like it. Oh my god, this was what I wanted to do originally. Why didn't I just stick to this? Like, seriously. Oh, guys. So I'm really liking the way that this is looking. Like, I wish I could come in like, I don't know. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and like do the rest of my face. Okay, so I'm gonna moisturize my face. So after I moisturize my face, I'm gonna go ahead and prime. Using my hands to do this today. Focusing that primer on my T-zone area. Once the primer is done, I'm going in with my foundation. It's the Maybelline Fit Me. I'm just gonna apply some dots to my face. Woo! I did my eyebrow. Oh my gosh, I'm rushing. I'm gonna go ahead and blend my foundation using the Juvia's concealer in number 7. So I'm gonna add some of that to my face as well. I'm gonna take my sponge and I'm gonna blend out that foundation. I'm gonna go with my Juvia's Face Concealer and I'm going to use this to highlight my face. So I'm going in with a brush first to kind of like blend out the concealer, the edge of the concealer, so that it can like blend seamlessly into the foundation. And I'm gonna let it dry down just a little bit more before I go ahead and use my beauty blender to start blending it out. I'm gonna go with my small beauty blender and start blending out the concealer. So to get rid of those harsh lines right here, I'm going back in with the sponge I used to apply my foundation. I'm gonna go over that concealer right on the edge. To set my concealer, I'm using the Airspun Loose Face Setting Powder. I'm going to go back over my concealer to ensure that I'm not creasing. Then I pat into my powder, blow off the excess, and press that into my skin. So I'm also taking this powder and I'm pressing it into my smile line area. Right, so time to set the rest of my face. Now for my bronze color, my contour palette, I'm going in with the Black Radiance Contour Palette. This is from dark to deep. I'm going to take the Sculpt color and like bronze up my face. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and add my lashes. These lashes are actually mine, guys. They are coming soon. Let me hold it so you guys can see. They're actually my lashes, guys. Like, yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply these. These lashes are from Fabulous Collections by Terry. So while the lashes dry down, I'm gonna go ahead and add mascara. So now I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. So I'm gonna line my lips with a brown pencil. So I have this red lippy here. It's called Kiss Proof. It's matte. Let's see what's up. That's super red. Oh man. I'm just gonna go ahead and add my highlight real quick. I'm just gonna like put it right on the center of my face, not going on the side too much. Okay guys, so this is the finished result for the makeup look. If you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click that bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop a new video. So I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.